Okay guys, tuturo ko sa inyo guys yung lemon tree. Ayan. So kailangan natin ng kapo sa first fret. Tapos yung chords ay E minor, B minor. Dalawang chords, yung sa intro at saka yung verse. Sa pre-chorus naman ay A minor, B minor, at saka E minor. Okay? Strumming pattern, it's down, top, down. I'm sitting here in a boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you. Nothing really happened. I wonder. Yeah. Okay, so strumming down, 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 down. Okay, so pagdating sa chorus, G, D, E minor, B minor, merong C. I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about it. Blue sky, that I can see. Just a yellow lemon tree. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy G. Turning my head up and down, turning around, and all I can see. Hey. Okay, so yun lang guys. Super easy lang guys. Thank you guys for watching.